Today's daily spotlight centers on a rising NBA star known for relentless pace and smart play. This leap comes after a standout college run and a breakout rookie campaign that showcased clean handles and court leadership. He combines high motor with precise decision-making, often converting fast breaks into easy scores and elevating teammates with timely passes. On the current slate, his team recently rolled to a solid win while shoring up a key rotation piece via trade, signaling a shift in depth and strategy. The update highlights recent game highlights, improving three-point consistency, and the coach's praise for his adjustments on defense and pace. This profile dives into his unique impact and what's ahead as he continues to push the offense and drive team growth.